Be ready. Start. Provided that the time fixed by the court for the correction of the valuation or supplying of the requisite stamp papers shall not be extended unless the court for reasons to be recorded is satisfied that the plaintiff was prevented by any cause of an exceptional nature from correcting the valuation or supplying the requisite stamp papers as the case may be within the time fixed by the court, and that refusal to extend such time would cause grave injustice to the plaintiff. Stop. The said provision indicates that the plaint could be rejected on various grounds, and one of them is that the plaint does not disclose a cause of action which the petitioner Dharam Singh is relying upon. Stop. According to the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, paragraph 13 of the plaint, which discloses the cause of action, is vague, and consequently, on such vague grounds, the election petition could not be entertained, and the application under Order 7, Rule 11 of the CPC should have been allowed. Stop. The submission of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner is bereft of merit. Stop. The cause of action has to be seen from the pleading mentioned in the election petition and cannot be confined to one paragraph alone. Stop. From a perusal of the election petition, one finds that Ravinder Singh alleged that Dr. A. K. Verma declared the result on 14th September 2008, declaring Ravinder Kumar as the elected candidate. Stop. In paragraph 8, it has been stated that when Ravinder Singh went to the district panchayat officer, he came to know that Dharam Singh has been elected and not Ravinder Singh. Stop. In paragraph 13, the allegation is that after the declaration made by Dr. A. K. Verma on 14th September 2008 in favor of Dharam Singh is on account of fraud played by him, and the said declaration should be declared illegal. Stop. In my opinion, the election petition discloses sufficient cause of action for the court to entertain the election petition. Stop. The impugned order, in my opinion, does not suffer from any illegality. Stop. Sufficient cause of action is made out, and the application of the petitioner under Order 7, Rule 11 of the CPC was rightly rejected. Stop. This court finds that a frivolous writ petition has been filed by the petitioner in order to delay the election proceedings. Stop. Consequently, the writ petition is dismissed with cost, which the court will quantify subsequently. Stop.